Hey there. Do your knees groan louder than your old rocking chair when you stand up? Or maybe your hips feel like they're locked up, making even a short walk feel like a marathon. If you're over 60, stiff, achy joints can shrink your world in ways you never expected. You might have to skip dancing at a wedding, stop playing with your grandkids on the floor, or put off that vacation you've been dreaming of. But what if I told you 5 simple, delicious foods can help rebuild your joints naturally, giving you back your freedom and mobility? Stick with me for the next 10 minutes and I'll share collagen-rich foods to get you moving freely again. No crazy supplements, no expensive prescriptions. Just simple, delicious eats you can find right at the grocery store. This is about empowering you to take control of your health with every meal. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel where we're all about helping you thrive after 50. I'm your health buddy, not a doctor, just someone who cares about keeping you strong, steady, and ready to enjoy life to the fullest. Today, we're talking joint health because it is a foundational part of staying active and independent. As we get older, our body naturally starts to make less collagen. Think of collagen as the vital glue that holds our entire body together. It's in our skin, bones, and especially our joints, where it forms the cartilage that cushions everything. Without enough of it, that cushion starts to wear thin, and that's when the aches and pains really start to creep in. It's a fact that in the USA, over 30% of folks over 60 deal with some form of joint pain. But you have the power to fight back with the right food. Let's explore 5 fantastic foods to keep your legs strong and your world big. Ready? Let's dive in. Tip 1. Sip on bone broth. First up, bone broth, the cozy, grandma-approved secret weapon for joint health. Think of it like a warm, nourishing hug for your joints. When you slow simmer animal bones for 12 to 24 hours, they release not only collagen, but also other incredible compounds that your joints desperately need. We're talking about glucosamine and chondroitin, which are the very things that help rebuild cartilage, and hyaluronic acid, which acts like a powerful shock absorber to keep everything gliding smoothly. My friend Carol, who is 69, used to wince every time she had to climb the stairs to her bedroom. Her knees and hips were so stiff that she felt trapped on the first floor of her own home. She started sipping 1 cup of bone broth daily. To give it an extra anti-inflammatory kick, she added a pinch of turmeric and black pepper. Within just a few weeks, she was climbing stairs with ease, and even began taking longer walks around her neighborhood without feeling exhausted or pained. Making your own is surprisingly simple and cost-effective, but you can also grab a high-quality, low-sodium store version. Just heat it up, sip it slow, and feel your joints thank you for the nourishment. Have you tried bone broth yet? Drop your favorite recipe or a tip for making it in the comments below. Tip 2. Feast on salmon. Next, let's talk about a true joint superhero, salmon. This fish is absolutely packed with the building blocks for collagen, specifically amino acids like glycine and proline. But that's not all. Salmon is loaded with powerful omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are 2 of the strongest anti-inflammatory nutrients you can get from food. Think of your joints as a creaky door hinge. When it's inflamed, it's stiff and painful. The omega-3s in salmon are like the oil that makes that hinge swing smoothly and quietly again. They work at a cellular level to calm the body's inflammatory response, giving you real relief from the aches and pains. Take my neighbor Mike, 72. His knees were so achy he almost gave up his favorite hobby, morning walks with his wife. His doctor suggested he try adding more healthy fats to his diet, so he started grilling wild-caught salmon twice a week with some fresh lemon and olive oil. He says his knees feel less achy, and he's back to walking a full mile every morning. Aim for 2 to 3 servings a week. The squeeze of lemon on top is key because the vitamin C in it is a vital spark that boosts your body's collagen production. You can bake it, pan-sear it, or even use canned salmon for quick meals. Love salmon? Or got another fish you enjoy? Tell me below. Tip 3. Power up with eggs. Now let's talk about eggs, those humble little powerhouses sitting in your fridge. Here's a little secret. They actually don't contain collagen directly, but they're loaded with the essential building blocks your body needs to make it. We're talking about proline and sulfur, which act like the construction crew for your joints. They help patch up and strengthen the cartilage in your knees and hips. And sulfur is critical for the formation of new collagen. My cousin Judy, 65, loves her morning scramble with spinach and a pinch of turmeric. She told me that her legs feel so much stronger and more stable since she ditched the old myth that yolks are bad for you. It's incredibly important to keep the yolk. That's where you'll find biotin, which is vital for healthy tissues. 2 eggs a day can work wonders. You can make an omelet, boil them for a quick snack, or even poach them. How do you like your eggs? Scrambled, sunny side up, or maybe a family recipe? Share in the comments. Tip 4. Brighten up with citrus fruits. Let's add some shine to this with oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. They're not just tasty, they're bursting with vitamin C, which is an absolute powerhouse for joint health. Vitamin C is a critical cofactor in collagen synthesis. Think of it as the spark plug your body needs to get the engine running. Without enough of it, your joints are like a car without gas, stuck, creaky, and stiff. Plus, the antioxidants in these fruits fight inflammation, which can ease swollen joints and achy ankles. My pal Sarah, 70, starts her day with a big glass of warm lemon water. She told me it has completely changed her stiff mornings, and her legs feel lighter and more mobile throughout the day. Try a sliced orange with your breakfast or a squeeze of lime in your water. It's a simple but incredibly powerful change you can make today. You can also make a grapefruit smoothie or a simple lemon dressing for your salads. What's your favorite citrus fruit? Let me know. I'm curious. Last up, let's talk about a true unsung hero of joint health, gelatin. It's essentially powdered collagen, full of the same glycine and proline we talked about earlier, which your body uses to rebuild cartilage. Think of it as a concentrated repair kit for your creaky knees and hips. It's important to distinguish it from collagen peptides, which are easier to mix but don't have the same gelling property. Gelatin is incredibly versatile and easy to use. You can stir a scoop of unflavored gelatin into your morning coffee, soup, or even make homemade fruit juice gummies for a fun, joint-friendly treat. My friend Dave, who is 67, started adding a spoonful of unflavored gelatin to his daily tea. He says his hips are less cranky and he's happily back to his favorite hobby, gardening, without all the aches and pains. Start small, with 1 teaspoon a day, and watch the magic happen. Have you tried gelatin before? Got a fun way to use it? Share in the comments. There you have it, friends. 5 delicious, easy-to-find foods to boost your joints and keep you moving. You have the power to make these small, smart changes every day. These aren't just foods, they're investments in your future self, allowing you to feel more in control, more comfortable, and ready to enjoy all the good things that life has to offer. Don't let stiff joints keep you from the things you love. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on thriving after 50, and share it with a friend who needs a joint boost. Stay strong, keep moving, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.